is Helpful Slime Reviews! Hello everybody, welcome to Political Slime Reviews Pizza! And today we're going to be looking at the Golden BBQ Pizza from, and so, let's go ahead. It's the box on the outside. You probably censor that. Open it up and you got your pizza! It's this golden barbecue. It's like barbecue, but it's golden. It comes with this sauce. I don't know what this sauce is. I don't want that sauce to go away. Sauce. So yeah, this is a pizza. As you can see, it's got chicken on it. It's got like golden and then like barbecue and chicken and pizza, and it looks pretty good. And so I'm gonna go ahead. It's a small pizza, so I'm gonna take a slice of this pizza, like this. That's not where it is. Come on, can I just, there we go, and take the piece of pizza. As you can see, it's pretty golden and barbecue looking, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat a slice. It's delicious! It's absolutely wonderful! This is a delicious pizza! It's golden and barbecue. Oh good. It's delicious! It's so good. It's so good. That was delicious. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say. It's pretty good pizza. Make sure to like, comment, favorite, comment, subscribe, and comment, favorite. Check out other slime reviews videos. They're around. Yeah, I'm gonna eat the rest of this pizza now. Bye!